What's up, everybody? Here with my colleague Dalton. What's going on? We're going to talk about ArcGIS Platform today. We've been getting a number of questions about what it is, how to use it, and just wanted to take a couple minutes to talk about it with you all today. It's pretty cool. The site looks good. I say the first thing that I notice is it's a sleek looking platform. They definitely focus on the design, the usability of the ArcGIS platform. Now, getting into what it is technically, basically the power of ArcGIS, but with a little bit more of emphasis on that. It's kind of developer focused. It's about building your own applications with the ArcGIS platform engine. It doesn't really replace ArcGIS Online and named users from a developer's perspective, but they are different things. The ArcGIS platform is really just another option, right? When you're building and you're building, you might there's different avenues and different paradigms for how you might build. But if if that concept isn't existing in your application, you really just need the rich geospatial powered components and engine. You can leverage the ArcGIS platform to build and tap in and still be able to consume and leverage all those services. I do imagine it will expand in its capabilities. APIs, tools, and location services. That's where the platform's starting, right? So I can see that expanding as the ArcGIS system kind of grows, more capabilities become enabled. One question I got the other day was, what would I build with the ArcGIS platform? I would build a very simple web mapping application that might be data that needs to be integrated into one of our systems and leverage the ArcGIS platform to do that in a spatial way. I think it's a good tool for both web, mobile technology, right? There's all the runtime SDKs are in there. The support of ArcGIS platform is throughout all of them. So I think I would just find a very simple example of how to integrate. There are some areas of optimization programmatically, so I think it could be an efficiency tool for your development community, right? Not having to really go against the grain of any other libraries you may be using, right? The ArcGIS platform kind of fits into the same mold and scope. So I think in a nutshell, I think of it as a platform for developers to integrate and build pieces connected to the ArcGIS system, whatever aspect that may be. If you have a good idea out there, if you have a good product that that has a strong spatial component to it, I think the ArcGIS platform is a great it's a great option to build your application on top of or as a complementary component to it. Hope everybody enjoyed. Let us know what you thought. If you have some good ideas, ask some questions. I think we would love to answer some of the community's questions. What do you guys want to hear about? What do you want to talk about? I know I can't keep Dalton quiet back here, so I know we can come up with things to talk about. So enjoy, like, subscribe, have fun. See ya. See you in the game.